Hello guys, today we're replacing the rear brake pads on a 2015 Ford Focus. First, I'll show you the tools needed for the job. Once everything is ready, I lift the car on the hoist and remove the rear wheels. For the wheel nuts, I'm using a 19mm socket. After taking the wheels off, I remove the clips or covers from the brake caliper pins. Then I take off the front clip, as you can see in the video. Next, I remove the caliper pins using a 7mm Allen key socket. These usually come off quite easily with a normal ratchet. Once the pins are out, I carefully push them back with a screwdriver so I can remove the brake caliper. After that, I use the screwdriver to push the piston out a little and check that the new brake pads are the correct size. Now I'm using a brake caliper wind-back tool to press the piston back in. On some calipers, you can just press the piston straight back, but on this one it is a little different. You need to turn the tool clockwise while applying pressure, and as you can see, the piston goes back in smoothly. Next, I install the new brake pads. Before fitting them, I clean the caliper and apply grease where needed. I do the same for the other brake pad as well. When installing the brake pads, make sure they are fitted on the correct side. Sometimes the pads are marked inside or outside, so always double check before installing them. I also grease the caliper pins so they can slide freely. Then I reinstall the pins and tighten them using the 7mm Allen key socket. They only need to be tightened properly, so do not over-tighten them. Refit the front clip. That side is now complete, and you need to repeat the same process on the other side. Once both sides are done, I check that all clips are sitting properly and tap them lightly if needed. Then I reinstall the wheels and the job is almost finished, and that's it for replacing the rear brake pads on this 2015 Ford Focus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.